I'm Jared Haynes, and this is Rogue Outdoors. Today I want to talk to you about the update to the Expedition radio, and this is something I absolutely love. We're talking about the colorway of the high-vis orange that they now offer in the Expedition Rocky Talkie radio. Just over 4 years ago, I discovered Rocky Talkie radios, and I purchased this model right here, the Mountain Radio. I used it for the next couple years and have absolutely loved it. It's a lightweight package, shatterproof, waterproof. I mean, this thing is great. It has really good battery life. It's USB-C chargeable. I mean, the thing was amazing. However, there was one drawback that I ran into with this, and that's it couldn't use repeaters. You couldn't change out the antenna to be able to get that longer distance. And sometimes when I'm hunting in certain areas, the signal from this just couldn't go up and over the peak. But when Rocky Talkie released the Expedition radio, which is 5 watts and GMRS capable, you can now switch the antenna as well as hit those repeaters. Huge upgrade, and I've used this for the last couple years in my hunting group, and it's worked amazing. Using it on the car ride over to be able to talk from rig to rig. You don't have to install a CB. You can use this just out on walks with the family. I use it for hunting trips, obviously, motorcycle riding, all sorts of stuff, and it's been amazing. But there was one more thing that they could upgrade, and they definitely did, and they changed and released this new high-vis orange color, and it is phenomenal. This thing really stands out if you leave it out on the trail, if it falls off your pack, whatever the case may be. It still has the same really tactile, easy to reach buttons. And then as we'll go over here, the same specs, but let me touch on those again really quick. Let's dive into those specifications really quick so you just get a refresher. If you haven't already watched my previous Expedition radio full-length review, the review will be the same other than the color changing. But you're gonna be looking at $180 for the Expedition radio the way that you see it here. That does come with the smaller antenna, USB-C cable, and a few other goodies inside the box. You've got the ultra rugged design on this with the shatterproof screen, a 2 to 6 day battery life. Just depends on how much you're gonna be running the radio transmitting. I've found easy 2 days and up to 6 days if you're letting it be on standby power. You got 5 watt power and GMRS capable. It has a water shedding design, which really does well in snow. As it heats up, if you have ice on there, it just sheds the water right out through these bottom ports to make sure that your voice doesn't get all gargly. You've got, as I mentioned earlier, the interchangeable antenna, and there's other specifications as well on how many channels it has and things like that. That's covered mostly in the original Expedition radio review, so I'll link that in the description below. But I just wanted to touch on a few of the major specifications, just in case you haven't seen that one. It is packed full of great specs, and it's an amazing radio. Now, before I wrap this video up and give you the final conclusion to the video, you might be wondering, as I mentioned earlier, about the bright orange color being a big ad. You might think, boy, you must be kind of clumsy to be dropping your radio, especially if it's 180 bucks and leaving it in the woods. Well, I have multiple of these, and often I will give one of these when I go on just nature walks to my kids and let them have it, so if they get farther down the trail than me or they're running around, I can just, hey, I need you to come back, or give them whatever directions, tell them to stay on the trail and reach out to them. However, kids being kids, they get busy playing, falls out of a pocket, they detach it from their pocket and leave it somewhere on the trail. I can then find this radio much easier than if it's gonna be the green or the blue. Let me throw up some footage right now. This is just gonna show you, I dropped it into some grass off the side of the trail that I was walking today, and you can see just how easy the orange stands out compared to the other colors. Now here's a quick video that's gonna give you a generalized idea of what I was just talking about out walking on the trail with the kids and how I would position the radio, and you'll be able to see just how it could possibly fall out of a pocket. Can you hear me on the radio, Dakota?
Yeah.
Can you wave at me when I say to wave? Good, waving. One of the nice things about using the radio out on walks would be when the family gets way out there to the other side of the property, you can easily just tell them, all right guys, go ahead and jump up and down and wave at me. And they can hear jump up and down and wave. Or if it's the little one, you can get her to stop and come back to you. Now to sum this video up, Rocky Talkie makes my favorite walkie-talkie radios on the market. You've got the mountain radio, which is ultra lightweight and really condensed package. If I'm just on a small walk, that thing is also a really good option, even though it doesn't have the orange color. But the Expedition has all the features that I'm gonna need if I'm up hunting, doing those longer road trips, maybe letting rigs get out farther. This thing is just feature-packed and covers everything that I need it to. Definitely a home run from them. So if you're interested in picking up a walkie-talkie radio, I would definitely say look at Rocky Talkie. It's a buy once, cry once type experience. You're not gonna need another one because these things are bomb-proof. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel for more content like this coming out soon. Thank you for watching.